Did you know that your nerves, the intricate network controlling every sensation, movement, and even your thoughts, could silently be breaking down? But what if the key to repairing them has been hiding in plain sight, in nature's own medicine cabinet? Today, Dr. Barbara Neill is about to reveal 7 powerful herbs that can heal, restore, and rejuvenate damaged nerves. From calming inflammation to sparking regeneration, these natural remedies hold secrets that could transform your health. Stay tuned, because what you're about to learn might just be the solution you've been searching for.
Hello everyone. Today we're diving into a fascinating and essential topic, your nerves. These tiny, intricate pathways are responsible for every sensation you feel, every movement you make, and even the way your body heals itself. But when your nerves are damaged, it can lead to chronic pain, numbness, and a host of other issues. The good news: nature has provided us with powerful tools to aid in nerve repair and regeneration. In this session, I'm going to share with you 7 remarkable herbs that not only support the healing of damaged nerves, but also enhance their overall function. We'll explore how these herbs work, how you can use them effectively, and the science behind their restorative properties. By the end of today's discussion, you'll have practical, actionable steps to strengthen your nervous system and improve your health. Let's get started.
Imagine a single plant with the ability to calm frazzled nerves, reduce pain, and even kickstart the healing process deep within your body. Its power lies in centuries of use, passed down through generations, and now backed by modern science. This humble herb might be growing closer to you than you think, quietly holding the potential to transform your nerve health. Curious to know what it is? Let's uncover its secrets.
The first herb I want to highlight is a powerful ally in nerve repair and health. Scientifically, it's known for its anti-inflammatory and neuroprotective properties. It contains active compounds like flavonoids and phenolic acids, which work to reduce inflammation around the nerves, a key factor in conditions like neuropathy. Inflammation damages the protective sheath around nerves, known as the myelin sheath, which disrupts nerve signals and leads to pain, tingling, or numbness. This herb helps by calming the inflammatory response, allowing the body to rebuild and strengthen the myelin sheath, restoring proper nerve function. Additionally, this herb is rich in antioxidants, which combat free radicals in the body. Free radicals can cause oxidative stress, another major contributor to nerve damage and degeneration. By neutralizing these harmful molecules, the herb not only prevents further damage, but also creates the optimal environment for nerve cells to heal and regenerate. From a circulatory perspective, it's also known to enhance blood flow to peripheral areas of the body, your hands, feet, and even the brain. This improved circulation ensures that oxygen and nutrients can reach the damaged nerves, fueling their recovery. You can incorporate this herb in several ways. Drinking it as a tea is one of the simplest methods, as the hot water helps extract its beneficial compounds. Tinctures or liquid extracts are another potent form, offering a concentrated dose. For targeted pain relief, it can also be used as a topical application, often in combination with other healing ingredients. Its versatility, safety, and scientifically backed benefits make it a cornerstone of natural nerve repair.
What if I told you there's a plant that doesn't just damage nerves, but also supercharges your body's ability to regenerate them? It works silently, deep within your cells, targeting the root causes of nerve damage while calming the chaos caused by pain and inflammation. This herb has been revered for centuries, with its secrets safeguarded by healers and herbalists. And today, you'll uncover its incredible potential. Ready to find out what makes it so extraordinary? Let's dive in.
The second herb we're going to explore is truly a gift from nature, often referred to as a nerve tonic in traditional medicine. What makes this herb so extraordinary is its ability to stimulate the growth and repair of nerve tissues at the cellular level. Scientifically, this herb is rich in terpenoids, active compounds known to enhance the body's natural healing mechanisms. These compounds stimulate the production of nerve growth factors, proteins that are essential for the survival and regeneration of nerve cells. This makes it especially valuable for individuals dealing with conditions like neuropathy, nerve trauma, or even neurodegenerative diseases. But that's not all. This herb is also an adaptogen, meaning it helps your body adapt to stress. Chronic stress is one of the silent contributors to nerve damage, as it can lead to elevated levels of cortisol, which depletes nerve health over time. By calming the nervous system and balancing stress hormones, This herb provides a dual benefit. It protects your existing nerves while creating the optimal conditions for repair and regrowth. One of the standout features of this herb is its ability to improve blood circulation. Healthy nerves need a constant supply of oxygen and nutrients, and poor circulation can starve them of these essentials. This herb works to open up blood vessels, ensuring that your nerves are well fed and ready to heal. You can use this herb in various ways. A daily tea is a soothing option, especially if you're looking to wind down in the evening. Capsules or tinctures are excellent for those who want a concentrated dose, and in some traditions it's even used topically to soothe the areas affected by nerve pain or sensitivity. When used consistently, this herb can truly transform the way your nerves recover and function.
Imagine a remedy so potent, nature's own repair kit for the nervous system. This next herb doesn't just work on the surface, it dives deep, targeting the very foundation of nerve health. Known for its unique ability to soothe pain and energize nerve function simultaneously, it's unlike anything we've explored so far. But what is it about this herb that makes it so effective? Let's uncover its secrets.
The third herb we're discussing today is truly extraordinary in its ability to work both as a pain reliever and as a nerve regenerator. Its power lies in its active compound capsaicin, which interacts directly with your body's pain pathways, desensitizing overactive nerve signals that cause chronic pain. When applied topically, this herb stimulates the release of a neurotransmitter called substance P, which is responsible for sending pain signals to the brain. Over time, it depletes substance P in the affected area, essentially turning down the volume of pain. This makes it particularly effective for conditions like neuralgia, sciatica, or even diabetic neuropathy. But what truly sets this herb apart is its ability to stimulate blood flow to the damaged areas. By increasing circulation, it helps deliver oxygen and essential nutrients to the nerves, accelerating the repair process. Improved blood flow also aids in removing toxins and metabolic waste, creating a cleaner environment for nerves to regenerate. Now, what's fascinating is that this herb doesn't just mask pain, it actively supports the healing process. Studies have shown that regular use can enhance the regeneration of nerve fibers, helping to rebuild the protective sheath around the nerves known as the myelin sheath. This is vital for restoring proper nerve function and reducing hypersensitivity. The most common way to use this herb is as a topical cream or oil gently massaged into the affected area. Its warming sensation not only soothes pain but also encourages relaxation in tense muscles around the nerves. For those who are more adventurous, it can also be incorporated into your diet in small amounts to stimulate overall circulation and vitality. This herb's dual ability to relieve pain and support nerve healing makes it a must-have in any natural remedy toolkit.
What if I told you there's a herb that doesn't just heal, it protects, defending it against the invisible forces of damage and decay? But here's where it gets even more fascinating. It works deep within your body, targeting the very mechanisms that keep your nerves alive and thriving. A true guardian of your health, this herb holds secrets that modern science is only beginning to uncover, ready to explore its incredible potential.
Our fourth herb is a true protector of the nervous system, a powerhouse known for its ability to shield nerves from damage while encouraging their regeneration. What makes this herb so exceptional is its role in reducing oxidative stress, a major contributor to nerve damage and degeneration. Oxidative stress occurs when harmful molecules called free radicals overwhelm your body's natural defenses, damaging nerve cells and disrupting their ability to function. This herb is rich in potent antioxidants, compounds that neutralize free radicals and prevent further harm. By reducing this damage at a cellular level, it creates the ideal environment for nerves to heal and regenerate. In addition to its antioxidant properties, this herb has powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is another silent enemy of your nervous system, gradually breaking down the protective myelin sheath that surrounds your nerves. By calming inflammation, this herb helps to preserve the integrity of the myelin sheath, ensuring that nerve signals can travel smoothly and efficiently. But here's where it gets even more fascinating. This herb also improves microcirculation, ensuring that oxygen and essential nutrients reach the smallest and most delicate nerve fibers in your body. Improved blood flow means your nerves are better nourished, enhancing their ability to recover and function optimally. Traditionally, this herb has been used as a tea or in capsule form, making it easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Its gentle, natural action makes it suitable for long-term use, offering consistent protection and support for your nervous system. If you're looking for a remedy that not only heals but also safeguards your nerves against future damage, this herb is a must-have in your wellness toolkit.
Picture a remedy so versatile, it works like a silent repair crew for your nervous system, tackling damage while rebuilding what's been lost. This next herb is not only a healer, but also a restorer, known for its ability to regenerate nerve cells and enhance communication within your body. Used for centuries and backed by modern science, this plant holds the secrets to unlocking the full potential of your nerves. What could it be? Let's uncover its incredible benefits.
The fifth herb we're exploring today is a true marvel when it comes to nerve repair and regeneration. What makes this herb stand out is its ability to directly stimulate the growth of new nerve cells, a process known as neurogenesis. This is due to its high content of saponins and flavonoids, which are bioactive compounds that promote cellular healing and regeneration. This herb doesn't just stop at repairing nerve cells, it also enhances communication between them by supporting the production of neurotransmitters. Neurotransmitters are the chemical messengers that allow your brain and nerves to communicate effectively, playing a crucial role in movement, sensation, and overall nerve health. What's particularly fascinating about this herb is its effect on the myelin sheath, the protective coating that surrounds your nerves. Damage to this sheath often leads to conditions like neuropathy or multiple sclerosis. This herb helps to restore and strengthen the myelin, ensuring that your nerve signals remain fast and accurate. Additionally, this herb is known for its ability to calm the nervous system. It's particularly effective for individuals experiencing nerve pain, tingling, or sensitivity, as it has a natural analgesic effect. By reducing overactive nerve signaling, it provides both immediate relief and long-term support for healing. This herb is commonly used in powder form, mixed into warm water or milk to create a soothing drink. It can also be taken as a capsule or brewed into a tea for those who prefer a milder taste. Regular use paired with a nutrient-rich diet can lead to remarkable improvements in nerve health. The beauty of this herb lies in its adaptability. It can work for acute issues like nerve injuries as well as chronic conditions that require long-term care.
Imagine a herb so deeply rooted in tradition that ancient healers called it the lifeline for damaged nerves. This next remedy doesn't just soothe, it energizes, working at the very core of your cells to repair, rejuvenate, and restore. Its secret lies in its ability to harmonize the nervous system, bringing balance where there is chaos. What makes this herb such a game changer for nerve health? Let's delve into its extraordinary story.
The sixth herb we'll be exploring today has been revered for centuries for its profound ability to rejuvenate the nervous system. This herb works in a unique way. It doesn't just address nerve damage, it restores balance to the entire system, helping to calm overstimulated nerves while revitalizing those that are weak or damaged. What sets this herb apart is its rich concentration of bioactive alkaloids and polysaccharides, compounds that enhance cellular repair and regeneration. These natural chemicals penetrate deeply into the body, targeting areas where inflammation or stress has caused nerve dysfunction. By calming inflammation, it allows damaged nerves to heal while also protecting them from future harm. One of its standout qualities is its ability to support the production of ATP, the energy currency of your cells. Nerve cells especially require a significant amount of energy to regenerate and function properly. This herb helps provide that energy boost, ensuring that your nervous system has the resources it needs to repair and rebuild. Additionally, it has a calming effect on the nervous system, making it particularly effective for those experiencing nerve pain, anxiety, or stress-related nerve disorders. It works by supporting the production of gamma-aminobutyric acid, GABA, a neurotransmitter that reduces nerve excitability, promoting a sense of relaxation and ease. Traditionally, this herb is used in tea or decoction form, allowing its active compounds to be easily absorbed. Some also use it in powdered form, blending it into smoothies or warm drinks for a gentle daily dose. Whether you're dealing with nerve injuries, chronic conditions, or simply looking to strengthen your nervous system, this herb offers remarkable versatility and effectiveness. The power of this herb lies in its holistic action. It doesn't just heal, it restores harmony to the entire nervous system.
And now, we've reached the final herb on this remarkable journey, a plant so powerful, it's often called nature's ultimate remedy for nerve recovery. This herb doesn't just aid healing, it accelerates it, unlocking your body's innate ability to repair itself. Its effects are so profound that it's been studied for its potential to reverse even the most stubborn nerve damage. What makes this herb a cornerstone of nerve health? Let's uncover its secrets.
The seventh and final herb in our discussion is nothing short of extraordinary. This herb is known for its ability to act as a natural catalyst for nerve regeneration, making it a cornerstone for those recovering from significant nerve damage or degeneration. Its secret lies in its abundance of phytochemicals, particularly a group called terpenoids, which help stimulate the repair and regrowth of nerve cells. These compounds enhance the production of neurotrophic factors, proteins that play a key role in the survival, growth, and maintenance of neurons. This makes it particularly effective in addressing both peripheral and central nervous system issues. This herb is also a rich source of essential fatty acids, which are vital for repairing and maintaining the myelin sheath. As I've mentioned before, the myelin sheath acts as an insulator for your nerves, ensuring that signals travel quickly and without interruption. By nourishing the sheath, this herb restores proper communication between your brain, spinal cord, and the rest of your body. But its benefits don't stop at physical repair. This herb has a calming effect on the nervous system, reducing stress-induced nerve damage. It works by regulating cortisol levels and enhancing the production of serotonin, which helps to stabilize mood and reduce anxiety, common side effects of nerve pain or dysfunction. In traditional medicine, this herb has been used as a tincture, an infusion in warm water, or even in oil form for external application. When applied topically, it penetrates deep into the tissues, soothing inflamed nerves and providing localized relief. Its internal use, on the other hand, supports long-term healing and regeneration from within. What makes this herb truly unique is its ability to work across multiple systems in the body, addressing the root causes of nerve damage while promoting overall vitality. It's a testament to nature's incredible power to heal and restore. And with that, we've completed this journey through 7 remarkable herbs, each offering unique and powerful benefits for nerve health. Remember, these herbs are tools, and when paired with the right lifestyle changes, they can truly transform the way your body heals itself.
That's a wrap on today's journey into the world of nature's healing herbs for nerve repair. We've uncovered the secrets behind 7 remarkable plants, each with its unique ability to restore, rejuvenate, and protect your nervous system. Whether you're seeking relief from nerve pain, aiming to accelerate healing, or simply looking to support your nerve health, these herbs offer a natural, powerful solution. But remember, healing is a process. Consistency and patience are key. If you found these insights helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others who may benefit from this knowledge. Until next time, take care of your body, your mind, and your nerves.
I hope today's video has brought you valuable insights into how we can support our nervous system with the power of herbs. Nature truly provides us with incredible tools for healing, and I encourage you to explore these remedies in your own life. Always remember to listen to your body and take the time to nurture it in the way it deserves. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to sharing more knowledge with you soon. Stay well and take care.